how to connect and use AutoDS for TikTok Shop. Hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, I will be teaching you and discussing how you will be able to connect and use your AutoDS for your TikTok Shop, whether it's for importation or exportation of your different products. Now, right now on our AutoDS on our screen, I already created an account. I already selected the plan. But for you guys, when you first create an AutoDS account, it will show you an option to choose which stores you want to create or connect an AutoDS account into. Each of those stores has a different plan in AutoDS, so you have to select one precisely unless you want to pay for another payment for another store. But if you can notice, there is no direct option for you to be able to connect a TikTok shop with AutoDS. But there is actually a way for you to be able to still connect your TikTok shop, and that is through Shopify. So make sure that when you're registering into AutoDS, you select the Shopify option, just like what we did earlier. Right now, as you can see, my version of AutoDS is making me connect our Shopify store to AutoDS. So, why Shopify store? Since I already chose the Shopify store over here, let's simply connect our Shopify store first. By simply connecting Shopify, we will be redirected to our Shopify store here to make us install AutoDS dropshipping and POD. Simply click on install. So it has a payment over here, but we have a 14-day free trial. Anyway, there we go. We are redirected to AutoDS after clicking on install. And we're basically going to click on install just like that. And we will be able to install that into our Shopify. Now, after installing that app, we will be able to successfully connect AutoDS with our Shopify over here, supposedly, as you can see here. Now, it's going to ask you to add AutoDS extension if you prefer, but we're not going to add that just yet. But anyway, as you can see, we have successfully connected our AutoDS with Shopify. Now, what we could do in AutoDS is that we could explore and find different products over here and import it into Shopify. If you import a product, for example, this product over here, click on import, drafts, view on drafts. There we go. Click on import. As you can see, the backpack has started to import. So if this is successful, it should appear on our products in our Shopify store. So right now, there's nothing yet. So you're going to have to wait, but there we go. Products has been imported to your store. We start our Shopify, and it should appear in this section. There we go. We now have our product that we just got from AutoDS in our Shopify store. Now, where does TikTok Shop comes into the picture? Now, in Shopify, we also have a TikTok app that you could install. Just like with what we did earlier with AutoDS, where we installed an app for AutoDS so that we could access or establish a connection between these two platforms. And in Shopify, you are also able to do that by going to their Shopify app store and simply searching for TikTok. If you don't know how to access the Shopify app store, simply look over here on the left side. You have apps, select that, click on all recommended apps. This pop-up will appear. Simply scroll down to the bottom and click on Shopify app store, and you will be able to view the app store of Shopify over here, basically going to add a lot of features and a lot of experience for Shopify users. And if you can see here, there's quick sync for TikTok Shop. So simply open this specific app, and this specific application allows you to have an established relationship with your TikTok Shop and your Shopify store. It is able to instantly sync inventory from both sides. Whenever a sale occurs, you will be able to make Shopify your main store. You could fulfill TikTok orders, and more importantly, you could import and export products with all of this information. So basically, you could import a product from Shopify into your TikTok shop. That's the most important thing. So, simply install this. After installing this, it will do the same process with AutoDS, where it's going to ask us to log into our TikTok shop seller account. That's going to be a very quick process, and they will establish a connection together. Now, the way Shopify works is that it doesn't matter where the product is coming from. It will always be added under the product list, whether you got it from TikTok Shop or AutoDS or from another external dropshipping platform or whatever platform that you're getting products from. It will all be listed in products. And the way this app over here works is that it will allow you to import any product listed in the product section. So you could basically keep on importing and sending different products from AutoDS into your TikTok or rather your Shopify store, and the list will be filled over here. So for example, let's go and add more lists over here. Let's go add this, add to drafts, and add to drafts. And let's click on this. Let's select all of it. Let's click X on all of this notification so we could see. Here we go. So after this, we're simply going to import all, wait for it to import, and you will have a list of products under your Shopify store. And now, when you're using this specific app over here, you're actually able to detect all of those products that you have just added, and you could easily import all of those products that are currently in your product list because of AutoDS into the TikTok shop, therefore establishing a connection between AutoDS and TikTok shop. Using Shopify as a bridge, you will be able to populate your TikTok shop with AutoDS filled products. In AutoDS, there's a lot of products that you could look for. You have different categories: toys, home and garden, home and tools, outdoor, sports, and many, many more. And the connection, despite being a bit confusing, it's very straightforward and it's not a bit confusing. So aside from that, you could choose to export from TikTok shop as well. Although I don't think you will be able to get a product be imported into AutoDS, because the purpose of AutoDS is to be a drop shipping platform where it can be, or it is, a source of products instead of an actual store that you could sell different products on. But anyway, that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.